All right, you take it easy. I got duck duty now, huh? Okay, guys. Here's my walking companion, Mr. Duck, or is it Mrs. Duck? Okay. All right. I'm gonna stay right here with the duck so that he won't walk out into traffic until it's clear. Okay. All right. Come on, Mr. Duck. Come on. See, he's my walking companion. Yeah. Okay, so how are you this morning, Mr. Duck? You gonna quack, quack, quack me? Come on. Come on. Okay, I walk faster than you. So I guess I may have to leave you or you're gonna have to fly. What do you guys think? Think I should leave him? Well, I'm speeding up and he's speeding up. Okay, let's see how this is gonna work. All right, come on, Duck. Okay. So, he's behind me. Well, he got up on the grass. I guess the grass is easier for him to walk on. But I can't wait. I gotta get my groove on. But he's still back there. Where is he? There he is. All right. My walking companion. Anyway, guys, good morning. Oh, it's such a beautiful, beautiful cold day in Houston. But I'm out here and still a little congested, but I feel better than I have been feeling. But I'm determined. I am the determinator, and I'm going to get my miles in, get my walk in, and I just got a beautiful, beautiful compliment. So there are two ladies that I usually see. Well, one that I usually see out here. The other one, I guess she usually sees me. And so I walk past the ladies, and the one lady that I always see, we spoke, "Hey girl, how you doing?" Then the other one said, "You look good. I see you out here walking all the time, and you look good. Keep doing whatever you're doing." Now, of course, anytime you get a compliment like that, it's great. And guys, hold on. You're not going to believe this. He's still with me. Oh, he's still with me. Hello. Okay. Got to give him a name. Help me name the duck, guys, okay? All right. Maybe that's the name. Let's see. Maybe that's the next challenge we'll do. Name the duck. Good morning. How are you? Okay, so he's my walking buddy. Oh. Okay. Bye, Mr. Duck. Okay. I don't know if it's a he or she, but come on, guys, give me some names. What should I name the duck? The most names will win. Okay, but anyway, the lady said to me, "You look good. Wow." She says, "You've been walking a long time and I've been watching you. You look good." Wow. Anytime I hear a compliment like that, it always makes me kind of tear up because you don't know my story. So, she even said, I wish I could do that too, and I want to be like you." And again, what? So, needless to say, I told her what any good person would tell her. Come join me. Come join me. Then I can talk to her about 310. Woo! Then she can really do like I'm doing, because I use 310, and 310 is working for me. Okay, guys, that was just, wanted to share that with you. And so Mr. Duck, I left him at the gate, but he'll probably be there when I go around and come back out. So anyway, remember, name the duck. What's his name? So anyway, guys, it is cold out here. And honestly, I really do miss California. I miss it in more ways than one. Such a beautiful, beautiful place. All right, anyway, so guys, uh, let me let you go so that I can really dig my heels in. I'm only on my first mile, so I got 3 more to go. All right, guys, have a wonderful day. Bye.